Hello guys and welcome. In this video we wanted to show you the new StorageOS one-shot installation script which can be found in our self-evaluation guide. This script contains everything that you need to install a StorageOS cluster and makes it really easy to evaluate StorageOS. For this video we'll be using a Rancher cluster running on virtual machines provided by our friends at Linode. To set the scene, here we have a cluster shown in the Rancher console. You can see that the provider is Linode and that we're running Kubernetes version 1.17. You can also see that we're running one master and 5 nodes. Here we can see the StorageOS self-evaluation guide. Don't worry about the URL, we'll show it at the end of the video. If we scroll down the guide a little bit, we find a simple bash command that we can copy and paste into a console. Of course, the script is a plain text file, so please do feel free to inspect it. There's no magic here, just a few commands. So now I'm going to copy that simple command and paste it into my terminal. While that's installing, let's talk about the steps involved. First, we need to install an etcd cluster. StorageOS relies on etcd for our distributed consensus and locking. Next, we install the StorageOS operator. This is analogous to a human operator and manages the StorageOS installation and application lifecycle. Once the operator is installed, we can install a StorageOS custom resource. This instructs the operator to install StorageOS as a daemon set. That's what's running now. Finally, we install the StorageOS command line, useful to manage the cluster. And that's all we need to build a functional StorageOS cluster and begin deploying stateful workloads such as Postgres, MySQL, and Prometheus. Once the cluster is installed, don't forget to register for a free developer license which unlocks 5 terabytes of storage. In case anybody missed it, here is the URL for the self-evaluation guide again.